Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a cute bathroom idea in Heartopia. So what we're going to want to do is make a 3x3 room, and this is how I basically painted it. This is going to be the bathtub area. So we are going to get our wall here, and we're going to place it here first, and then we're also going to get another wall here as well. Then we're going to place some windows. We're going to put this window here, one, and then we're going to add another one here, and then we're going to then add another one here as well, like so. And then we're going to get like a flooring here, and we're just going to place it here for the bathtub. It's just one over. And then we're also going to get a low wall for this part, and we're going to color that the same as the rest. Looks like this. Then we are going to add another window over here. We're going to use this one. We're going to place it up here like that. And then we are going to add some stairs. You can use any stairs you'd like. I'll just use this one, and I'm going to paint them, confirm. And I am then going to add the mirror. I'm going to add this one over here, maybe just a little bit down here. And then I'm also going to add this decoration right here. And I'm also going to add the oceanic cabinet right here underneath the window. Press confirm. I'm also going to add like a fence over here. Confirm, and we're just going to put one there. And I am also, I keep saying that, going to add a rug like here-ish. Hold on. Okay, that's good enough. That's in the middle. All right. We are going to use some glitches, and that's because we want to add some decorations to the window so it's not that plain. Actually, let me just place the bathtub first. We're going to place it here, like so. I think that's in the middle. Yeah. All right, we're going to glitch two of these windows. So we're going to select this, and okay. I guess we can only do it one by one. So we do have to glitch it like separately. So that one, and then this one. All right. Next, we are going to add some of the string lights here and here. And then I'm also going to add like plants. So go to decors here. Daily life. Where's the one that I want to hang? Oh, it's on this one. I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to place it here. Hopefully that's where the window is. And where are the stairs with the towels that I want to place? I think it might be here. Oh my gosh, did I miss it? Did I miss it, or is it somewhere else? I'm trying to find it because like if I put the... Oh, I do have it here. Okay. Then I'm just going to put that like here. Then I'm also going to add another plant over here maybe. Yeah. And then I'll add another plant on this side. then, oh, I'm also going to want to add some more plants. I'm gonna add these up here. Is that too much? Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't add it here. Perfect. All right, and I'm just going to complete this and I'll be back to open the blueprint. And this is the finished results. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!